This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Hairston. Beautiful. Completely updated 4-bedroom, 2-bath home in Norfolk. Convenient to military bases, interstate, shopping, and beaches. Open floor plan, LVP and main lining areas, stainless steel appliances, front loading washer/dryer and completely fenced-in backyard. Oversized 1-car detached garage. Sorry, no smoking inside. 2 pets under 50 pounds considered with additional $400 pet deposit per pet and $50 per month pet rent. Available now. To apply, copy link https://www.redtrent.com/listings/details/688E0D1A1378-4B4588-5EB1692 for Review the details below or contact Hairston at 757-481-8480.